Hello, thanks so much for stopping by. This is Fashion for Living and my name is Audra. Today I have a little haul video for you all. My husband and I recently did a little outlet shopping, so I thought I would share what I picked up. So I have recently been receiving a few requests to share more dresses. So this video is definitely going to be for you if you wanted to see more dresses. So my husband and I went to the Banana Republic outlet store. We did a little outlet shopping. We were talking about that when we do go to this outlet, we tend to either do really well at the Banana Republic store and don't really buy anything anywhere else, or we don't really buy anything at all. So this happened to be a time that we both found lots of things that we liked. The store was 60% off, the whole entire store, and then clearance was an additional 50% off the lowest mark tag. So everything that I bought was under $30. Each item was under $30. So there's a lot of good deals here. First up is this whitish cream. It's not a bright white, but it's not quite a cream dress. And it has a gray background to it. This also comes in navy. This is a super lightweight, comfy, stretchy dress. It is a fit and flare. I happen to love fit and flare. It's very flattering for my body type. This dress is great to either dress down with some mules or some booties, or dress it up with some pumps or high heels. It sounds funny that I'm saying dress up this dress or dress down this dress. For a size reference at Banana Republic, if it's sleeveless, I usually get a 4, sometimes the occasional 2, but usually a 4, and then for sleeved items or things that have shoulders, I need a 6. If I don't size up in the shoulders, then it's too tight. So next up we have this plaid dress. I fell in love with the longer sleeve detail. I love the print of this. I loved this faux wrap skirt detail, and it has a little bit of pleating here. I always feel like the details, the craftsmanship, the makeup of their dresses are just so nice and look so much more expensive than what they are at the factory store. Now this one I will say is a little big in the waist, and so I can't decide if I'm going to take it in. It's easily fixed if I belt it, but again, this dress was under $30. Lastly, for the dresses, we have a linen shirt dress. Again, I'm really loving that stores are making stuff with these longer sleeves. I just think it's so flattering and new and fresh to have this a little bit of a longer sleeve. I love a shirt dress. This one is no different. It is midi length, which is awesome. It has pockets and it has the cutest little slits on the side. Now you will see in the try on video that I have a security tag on my dress. I was gonna say I forgot to take it off, but it wasn't my job to take it off. We got it home and it had that on there, so I ran it to one of our local stores and showed them my receipt, and they took it off for me. Next we have a blazer. I know, a shocker that I like a blazer. This one is a shrunken fit is what they have described it as. I got it in a size 6. And it kind of is like a 3/4 sleeve, which when I first saw it, I was like, ugh, I already have a hard enough time finding things that the sleeves are long enough. But I really love the way this fit in the body. But honestly, when I put this on and kind of scrunched up the sleeves, it really worked perfect for that because the sleeves stayed in the perfect place without having to work too hard. Sometimes when you try to scrunch up a full long sleeve blazer, it's hard to get them to stay. So this is a great alternative if you're wanting to do that super cool chick scrunch sleeve look. And like I said, these two things look so cute together, and that's honestly what sold me on that I needed this jacket, was that it looks so cute with this dress. Lastly, from Banana Republic, I got this tee. Again, it has the little bit of a longer sleeve. It has this super cute, sparkly collar. I love a ringer tee. And this one, as Aaron from Busby Style would say, it's just a little bit of an elevated basic. It's just something a little bit special for a ringer tee. And again, I would wear this under blazers. You could wear this tucked into a pencil skirt. You could dress it up or down. So it's a super cute tee. They had it in a slate gray color that I kind of wish I would have got to now because it's so comfortable, it's so cute, and it's something that I'll wear all year round. The last couple things, we ran into Target and I grabbed this Johnny Cash tee from the men's section. It was $12.99 and it was the only one on the shelf, so I scooped it up, and my husband and I are arguing about who's gonna get to wear it. It looks like I won the battle today. When I was linking this tee, I saw that it does come in women's and in kids' tees, so you could have one for the whole family. The last thing that I have to show you for this haul are these slip-on mules. They are from Target, and I had been eyeing these for a while and finally grabbed them. I tried on a couple different styles in the store and I really, really liked these. These feel like a substantial shoe or an actual shoe, if that makes sense. Some of the mules that you try on at Target or less expensive places, it's a very thin sole, and the front toe part the front mule part just goes over your toes. And so I really liked these because my whole foot felt supported, and with the heel, it just feels like a very comfortable shoe. And honestly, with these kinds of shoes from Target, I have had really good luck. My mules that you'll have seen in the previous try-ons, I've had for 3 years. They still remain to be one of my absolute favorite shoes. They're starting to look a little worse for the wear. So my point to telling you all that is I think the quality generally for these Target shoes is outstanding for the price. What was your favorite piece that I shared? I would love to hear from you. And if you have any ideas of videos that you would like to see in the future, please also tell me in the comments below. I love to get ideas from you guys. You have the best ideas. And if you're not following me on Instagram, it's @fashionforliving. That is where I share horse stuff, family stuff, my doggies. We have 4 doggies. Just whatever we have going on for the day. And as always, if you're not already subscribed here, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if